This will be a speed test between the Galaxy S9 versus the LG G6. Now the Galaxy S9, this is the US unlocked variant, so it comes with a Snapdragon 845 and 4 gigs of RAM. And the LG G6, this is LG's flagship phone from last year. This one has the Snapdragon 820, or it could be the 821, I'm not sure, and also 4 gigs of RAM. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. And we are in! So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Messaging on both. The camera. There you go, give you an idea. Calculator on both. Give that to the S9. The clock on both. And let's go ahead and start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Play Store. Ooh, very similar. G6 keeping up. Go ahead and click on this Pixel icon pack. Leave it on that page. eBay on both phones. S9 Plus. Click on this vacuum. Leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. S9 Plus. Speed test app. We're on the same server. Gonna go ahead and start with the G6 first. Very similar scores on both devices. The Samsung Internet Browser and Chrome, respectively, go. Gonna go ahead and search for Amazon. Let's go. Gonna go ahead and scroll on this, give you an idea of the scrolling speeds and the scrolling experience between these two. Gonna click on the Amazon full site, go. Ooh, I think the G6 was actually faster on that one, looking at the progress bar. Go ahead and pinch to zoom. Give you an idea of the experience here on both. Click on this item. Ooh, and I think the G6 finished first, looking at the progress bar, and leave it on that page. Mario Run. Both are loading right now. And the S9 Plus takes this game. Tap to begin, close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Iceland. S9 is loading first, and the S9 taking this game. Go ahead and tap to play, close it out. Do the same thing real quick on the G6. Temple Run 2. Blazing Sands. Both are loading right now, and the S9 Plus, or excuse me, the S9, jumping out in front here. I'm gonna go ahead and play, close it out. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on both, and the S9 Plus out in front. Will the LG G6 catch up? No, it does not. The S9 taking this game. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the S9. And the S9 taking this game. Twitter on both phones. Give that to the S9. Snapchat. S9 again. So let's take a look at the RAM management of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. We'll go ahead and start with Twitter. Ready to tweet. CSR Racing 2. Paused and ready to resume on both. This one's continuing the game. Very nice. Angry Birds 2. Still in the RAM. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume on both. Subway Surfers. Ready to resume on both. Mario Run. Ready to play. Very nice. The internet browsers. right where we left it off on that Amazon page, the speed test app. And I think that was a reload on the S9. Interesting. Acrobat Reader. And okay, both had a little bit of a delay. eBay. And okay, both have to reload the page. Play Store. And right where we left it off on the Pixel Icon Pack, the clock on both. And both still running stopwatch. Calculator. There you go. The camera. There you go, S9 a little bit quicker to recover. Messaging. And the phone app. G6 had to reload. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an LG fan? Do you like LG phones? Like the LG G6, the LG V20, LG V30? Are you excited for the upcoming rumored LG G7? Or are you a Samsung Knight? Rocking the S9, S9 Plus, Note 8, S8 or S8 Plus, these phones coming with alien tech like the infinity displays, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.